sheep talking. Island boy.
What up?
Shout out to the Island Boys. Hey, it's the Island Boys. This goes out to Island Boys Shelly, Crystal, BlackSheep, and the DJ Protocol community.
What's up? What up? We got 5 people out there. I don't know where everybody's at. Oh, shit. I guess I'm by myself today. Say Sunday. Sunday's slow. What up, McTavish? What's going on? Anybody joining me? Okay. So what we got going on today. I think Luna's coming back.
What up?
What up?
What up? Oh, nothing. Trying to be on time for once. Just something before free before 11.
Now.
All right.
Yeah.
Don't move.
I won't move, woman. I'll stay here so you can cut my toenails. Struggle is real. What you guys got going on today?
Nothing, man. Just hanging out. Hanging out. Hanging out in my paid off house.
Oh no, that's lit, dude. That's lit as fuck, dude. That's paid off. The truck's paid off now. So like what? Okay, now I know you're gonna eventually get a house.
Eventually. Or I might just stay right here. I don't know.
Yeah, like I said, I know eventually you get a house stuff, but I kind of like the mobile part of it. That way you can just kind of like travel a lot. I think that's kind of cool. Except gas is going to $10. Someone said.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Suck.
That's gonna be fun when I'm driving my truck.
Oh man, dude, what do you get like 12, 15 miles to the gallon in your truck?
I don't know. Probably less than that. Way less.
No, he's gonna get like 7 to 10.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Man, so your motorhome and your truck could race. So you run out of gas first.
No, I think when he's really stomping on it, it's probably going to be more like 10 gallons per mile.
Right. Oh shit.
He's just gonna say, full tank. He's gonna go like 5 miles. He's gonna say, I need to fill up. Gas light on.
Yeah, but
you and Mad Dog got the same truck?
Yeah.
Not anymore.
Oh, I know she did an upgrade or something to it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's I'm doing a twin turbo upgrade on it.
Yo.
What's up? Note it all. How's the
No,
It's just-
where
I
we
was
going,
just
brother?
asking
Give me some
about
good
you.
news.
Got some good news. Got some good news.
What's BTC gonna do?
You tell me.
rip?
Oh man, I still think it's fucking going to 28, 25.
Nah, I think it's go. I think it's
Yeah,
come
it,
back
it
up.
might do that after it hits 33 or 34K.
Well, you think it's gonna? Okay.
What do you guys see? This is the new SAR, by the way. version
Oh, I don't
5.
see it.
Version 5.
Oh, there you go. Sorry.
And you can set your risk
Bitcoin
profile.
breaking out.
Bitcoin breaking out. Yep.
Oh shit.
Oh shit! I just woke up about 20 minutes ago. What the fuck's Bitcoin at right now?
30.4.
Oh shit! No, I seen it at like 29.7 or 29.8 earlier.
I saw it at 29. So.
Yep. About to break out of the pennant. Looks pretty good. Nice candle there.
Yeah, Bitcoin needs to do something, dude. My PNY is looking like shit, and my ESK is dropping like a rock. Also,
Bro, check out Monk though. Monk's doing great.
Monk's doing okay. Monk's kind of holding his ground a little bit.
So here's the USDT. Okay, so this is what we need to pay attention to. So Tether is in a descending triangle up here. If 1, 2 is a third test out of support, right? If this support breaks, we're going to see a massive spike in crypto assets, right? Because if Tether is going down, that means the assets are going up, right? So we're looking at Tether coming down about 10%. So that's about right. That's going to push Bitcoin about 10%, which will put it right around that $33,000 mark.
Okay, I see where you get it now.
All right. So this is the opposite chart, right? So we're at the bottom. We're going to see a pump, right? And Tether is at the top. We're going to see a dump. And yeah, if this closes, if Tether closes like this is a weekly, guys. This is a weekly.
No, I'm just go right there.
This is a weekly bearish doji candle we put in here on the DXY, on the Tether chart rather. And this could signal multiple weeks of downside for Tether, which could mean multiple weeks of upside for Bitcoin. All right, so this is a major swing trade opportunity down here. And we could be looking, about a 3, maybe or 2 to 4 week period where we see upside.
And what about Ether? I know that's going to go up as well, but what are the projections? Maybe 2,300 again.
Yep, something like that. It'll probably do, roughly, probably go test this flag, right? So 2,400. All right. So ETH breaking out here out of its own descending triangle, right? So this descending triangles have about a 50% chance to break either direction. They're kind of a gamble. But if you're towards the bottom of a structure, it makes sense that it breaks up, right? So, yeah, about $2,400 for ETH.
Cool.
So, yeah, look to exit there. If you want to be safe, your first major take profit probably right around that 2250 area. That's if we just break this this area right here. We could come up here and back test this break before we really go higher. So it really all depends on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin comes back out of this pennant that it just broke out of, it could do something like this where it fakes people out. It comes up to here maybe about 30.7, and then it comes back down to test this, and then goes right. So could try to suck some liquidity in here on a like FOMO buyers buying into this breakout before coming back down to retest it. I was even thinking maybe we get a complete retest, like back down to 29.4, and then we go. So we'll see. It may just rip because Tether's breaking down out of that pennant. So if Tether continues to break down out of this pennant, then we're just gonna go. We're not gonna do another test.
Nice. Hell yeah.
That's fantastic.
And then Luna, I know everyone wants to know about Luna right now, right? So
Except me.
So Luna, if it actually breaks this 44 area, it's really simple. Bottom of the range to the top of the range is a well, you're looking at it, 3,000, almost 3,100% move. So if it breaks this top of this range, you're going to go up 3,100%, which is roughly back up to a penny. So I would say you're going to definitely get close to this quarter of a penny area. All right. Usually when you're not going to do the whole move in one shot. So, if this thing does stage some sort of recovery up to top of the flag, then consolidate here before the next leg, right? So something like that.
A lot of them right now.
I'm not holding that many. I have like a few million of them maybe, but I put like 11 grand into it at like $1. I mean, dude, I lost a shitload of money as is, so I didn't really care. I was like, fuck it.
Hey, Mr. Know It All.
Sorry for bringing up a sad story.
Yeah, we all have sad stories at some point in time. Yeah. What's up?
I got a request for you. If you,
Sure.
I'm not sure if you've already done it because I'm a bit late with the show, but do you reckon you can take a look at Guar Money for us?
What is it?
Guar Money, GAUR, against the ETH pair on Kronos.
Okay. Let's see.
Morpheus, you're muted, by the way.
But he's on the phone.
Ah, right. I see that now. Okay.
What is it? Is it on PooCoin or is it on Dex Tools or?
It's on Dex Screener.
What was the name of it? Sorry.
GAUR and ETH. Yeah, there you go.
The wrapped ETH pair. All right.
Yep.
Nice. That's a 15.
So basically, the idea of this one is that 1,000 Guar is supposed to be 1 ETH.
I see. So, well, right now it's trading 1.53 per ETH. Is that right? Yeah.
That's $1.53.
No, I think it's $1.53.
Yeah.
That actually should be $1.
This is guarded ETH?
No. GAUR.money. Guar Money is the website that you're looking for if you're trying to look at that.
Well, I will say this chart does not look too good. It does look like it's obviously in a downtrend, right? You have the top of your range here.
Yeah.
Bottom of your range here, and you're kind of sitting somewhere. Well, this is acting as resistance right now. It's still a resistance and made a lower high. So it looks like it could come back down to this bottom of this range here, especially if ETH rallies and this doesn't, right? So if ETH rallies, then this is going to come down versus ETH, right?
Yeah. So ETH coming down in price is what's getting us closer to peg at this stage.
Okay, but ETH's might going to go up in price right now, is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
What up, Sheep?
All right.
What's up, man? No, just something funny.
Fair enough.
All right, yeah. So it might come back down to test this 28.6, which would actually be a big drop. I'm not saying it's going to maybe do that. It could just come back down to test these areas here. All right, this area is a support. That area is a support. And you have some local support there too. So you have about 3 levels in between us going down to the lowest low it's ever made versus ETH. All right. Anyone have anything else you want to look at? How about we look at the sheep token?
Hey, that's a good idea. Let's take a look at Sheep. See how that's going.
Sheep token. Oh, it looks like an inverse head and shoulders down there at the bottom. Rich. Nice little recovery structure there, Sheep. That looks pretty good, man.
Yeah, looks good, huh?
That looks pretty good, brother.
Looks good.
All right, so here we go. We got a channel, and you're breaking out of the channel right now. Beautiful.
Oh,
that is a breakout, sir.
Fuck yeah, boys! Pump it up.
Look at that candle. Look at that. Look at that bullish engulfing candle. Right, a break and a back test and a go candle.
Fuck yeah, that's all the buy signal I need. Fucking.
Here we go.
Let's go. Yeah, 26 crow a piece this morning. Fuck yeah. Nice work,
Actually,
everybody.
that's actually about right. So it actually hasn't broke this channel just yet, but it's approaching the top of the channel. It looks like a big flag. This is versus crow though, right? So if it's going to outperform crow, then let's see. So if this does break out of the structure, we would be looking at something like this. Oh,
shit's gonna rip, huh?
Yeah, the 1272 fib extension. If and when it breaks out of the structure, if it resolves itself to the upside, right? So we're looking. Yeah, I mean, so this next month, I do think Bitcoin's going to rally. So
what are we looking at on a top over there when it breaks out?
So your first major targets are these ones that I circled here. So like, if it does break out of the structure and back test it as a support, then we could go to these zones here. But they call this the golden mean ratio zone because it can reverse at any one of these Fibonacci levels before maybe continuing higher, or maybe that's it, right? So it depends on what the market's doing. If Bitcoin rallies for a month and then we get stuck at one of these golden levels and it starts to reverse because Bitcoin's reversing, then yeah, I mean, unfortunately, it probably just it'll just come back down. But if we go on some like crazy run, then yeah, this can just run.
Do you see Bitcoin having a crazy run, or do you think it's gonna be bearish till later in the year?
I don't really see Bitcoin having that crazy of a run. Maybe 10 to 15% move, which is a pretty big move.
But then what? Bearish for a while?
Yeah, I'm not really. I mean, like it's even having a tough time breaking out of here. Yeah. So if we get a 50% or even a 618 retrace on Bitcoin, which is pretty typical, that could result in us maybe even testing the top of this where we broke down from, right? Like right here, like 35K, like where it had this major rip, and we'll just go and test it and probably reject it, most likely. It's going to depend on like what the stock market's doing and all the other shit too. Not just Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just a risk on asset, but I think the Fed's going to continue raising rates going into June. So risk on assets aren't going to stand a chance against that. We're just getting a nice relief rally right now. Like we've been this thing's lost a lot of its value, right? Like how much? I mean, dude, Bitcoin's lost like I don't know, 60% of its value since November.
Holy shit!
So like it's pretty typical. Like even after we bottomed here, right at 34K, what happened? You got a nice rip, right? You got a 40% rip before making a lower low. So like, why can't we do the same thing? Why don't we make a 30 or 40% rip before making a lower low, right? So 30 or 40%. If we do the same thing, we're looking at 40K, and then down to 20.
Oh, why does it keep doing that? Why does it keep happening that way? Like,
well, because people FOMO in at breakout levels, and
correct.
The smarter people that are trading know that these lower highs are just lower highs. They're not going to be making higher highs. So once we confirm a lower high, well, why would you long it? You'd want to short it, right? The risk to reward is to the downside at that point. You're still making, so you made a top, you made a lower high, right? Now you made a lower low. So now you're going to go and try to make a higher high, but you're probably going to get rejected here, and then you might overshoot it, right? Because people, just short it right here. You'll get squeezed out of your short here, and then you make some sort of top, and then the short comes in. You might even bounce here just to fuck these guys shorts up, and then you'll dump. And you make another lower high. Right?
He said just to fuck these guys up.
I mean, but yeah, like these exchanges are in business to screw you. They're not in business to let you make money. So,
Mr. Know-It-All, you got a request for BNB to ETH.
BNB ETH, yeah, we looked at that once, I believe, right? I did say it looked pretty good the other day, and it did. It broke that 0.15 area, but looks like we got rejected around 0.16, which happened to be this breakout area right here. Yeah, you know what, man? It sucks because if ETH is going to rally and outperform BNB right now, but look, I mean, you can see that all these oscillators are still long. Like this still looks really good against ETH right now. It's still in a major uptrend. Although the only thing I don't like is this rounding stuff. I don't like this rounding stuff because that to me looks like rounded top.
Yeah.
So if we're rounding tops up there, that means, well, you guys already know what that means. That means we did reject this area here. Now we're at resistance, so we're probably going to come back down to test these lows again, right? So we come back down and test the lows. If we break these lows, well, we do something like this. If we hold the low, we bounce off of it and try maybe make a higher low to rally against ETH. But I'm having a hard time believing BNB is going to be stronger than ETH going into a bear market. Really, I am. ETH is more. ETH is going to undergo the merge in like June, July, August sometime, which in my opinion is going to make it completely decentralized or more decentralized than BNB. BNB is a centralized organization.
Yeah.
So there's that. I'm not saying BNB is going to fail. Do not regard that as what I'm. Don't try to regard what I'm saying as not good for Binance Coin. Binance Coin is not going anywhere. What I am saying is ETH is probably going to outperform it in the bear market. We'll see. It so far got rejected up here, right? It tried and it attempted to rally against it and failed. So the best thing that you can do is set an alert up here, right? Oh man, is it really breaking out versus ETH? Great, let's just sell all of our ETH for BNB. Right? Break that, do it. Don't break it, don't do it. Yeah. I mean, it really is unfortunately that simple, man.
Because that means that BNB is stronger than ETH if it goes up. Huh?
It'll hold more value, right?
Yeah.
Because if BNB is going to outperform Ethereum, that means Ethereum is going to be losing market cap faster than BNB will. I'm not talking about dollar pair here. Everything's going to lose against the dollar right now. Dollar is just, well, in the short term, maybe the dollar is going to drop, which is what we're thinking. We're going to get some sort of rally here. All right. So you could probably buy either of these assets and make money off of it right now. Not financial advice, of course. But if we get a rally, then BNB probably percentage-wise gains more than ETH. Yeah. So we'll see, man. I mean, this did not engulf this candle yet. Here, this is a 3-day chart. So well, that actually technically just started. So the daily did reject these highs. However, we didn't take out yesterday's candle entirely. In fact, I mean, it took about half the candle, which isn't necessarily good, but it's not a complete rejection just yet.
Well, I'll tell you, the average person in my Telegram probably uses Binance Smart Chain more than Ethereum.
Well, of course.
Yeah, absolutely.
For the fees, right? Yeah. Fees.
Yeah.
What about
Phantom? I mean, I wouldn't be surprised to see BNB do some shit like that.
What about Phantom? Oh, man.
Phantom's dead. Ever since Andre Cronje left Phantom, it's been dead.
Is that right?
Yep. 1175.
I mean, the chart.
Yeah. Basically, he was the one who created all of the Yearn Finance stuff and all of the Phantom of Opera fucking shit. He was basically the development champion over there. And then one day, I don't know what happened, whether it was some responsibility he had to do or something, but he completely dissolved his platform, said, right, April 3rd, I'm pissing off with all my inventions and there's nothing you can do about it. And then FTM died the next day.
Well, here's the Phantom BNB chart. And if I do say so myself, this looks like a long-term channel up versus Binance Coin.
Fair enough.
Well, Pulse Chain fixes this. So
if you're looking for maybe a trade, okay, this could be a good trade because it already broke this neckline and had this massive dump, right? So more than likely, it's probably going to rip up to whatever that is. that first level. Okay. And that's a significant move, I would say. Yeah, that's almost a 40% move versus Binance Coin. So if you're trying to accumulate Binance Coin because you think it's a stronger project, well, buy Phantom and then roll it for BNB.
Yeah, there you go.
Right.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, get some more tokens. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I don't know how much you've been keeping up with the group, but my Dex is almost ready too.
Nice.
Yeah, I've actually got a neat little industrial spaceport theme going on for it. And yeah, I mean, all I did is I grabbed Uniswap V2 and I fucking cleaned out all the Ethereum and BSC parts and moved it over to Kronos, but it's working an absolute treat right now. So
awesome, dude. Great work.
Cheers, man. Hope is that once I build up strong enough, then all of the projects that are sort of converging upon it and contributing to it, they all share in part of the platform's trading fees. So it's kind of like positive feedback loop. You know what I mean?
Yes. Yep. Makes a lot of sense. Sure. Yeah, Phantom also, the chart looks pretty good, even though it's a dead project or whatever. You have a bottom and a potential double bottom here. And this is going to do a 34% move, all right, versus the dollar. It already started. It's already up 6% today. So 34% brings you right up to about 52 cents. All right. Just to test this flag right here.
Yeah, I wouldn't say it's dead if it does shit like that, huh?
Yeah.
Sorry, let me rephrase my overly bold statement. Innovative development is dead on FTM.
Oh, okay.
But speculation isn't dead, so there you go.
Well, there you go. Yeah. Yeah.
Just the same as Luna.
I wasn't completely wrong, just a little bit wrong.
Luna probably has a lot more upside than a lot of these other ones because, well, it's like at zero. So yeah.
Yeah.
Not financial
Yeah,
advice, of course, right?
Yeah.
None of this stuff is financial advice, guys. Remember, this is all speculation. We really don't know what's going to happen with these prices. All right, remember that. This is all we're just seeing on a chart, and we're just projecting something based off technical analysis, which may or may not be applicable to some of these fundamentally messed up coins like Luna. All right. Bitcoin's a lot easier to do technical analysis with because, well, fundamentally, it's still sound. Right? Bitcoin isn't broken.
Yeah, it's just dinosaur.
It is, but you know, it still leads the pack, man. Still leads the pack.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Still leads the way for decentralized decentralized currency. Or I wouldn't even call Bitcoin I mean, it is technically a cryptocurrency, but who the hell transacts in Bitcoin, man?
Nobody. Well,
Yeah.
nobody with half a brain.
Right. So
No,
this is still the most important data we have, right? Bitcoin. It's worth the most. It's worth the most right now. May not be like that forever, but for the foreseeable future, probably the next 5 years, until some other piece of data decides to be more scarce and worth more than Bitcoin. Because we're just betting on what data is going to be adopted the fastest, the quickest, right? Right? That's what cryptocurrency is. Data.
That's it.
That's it. Blockchains are data. So yeah, Bitcoin to the moving average here makes a lot of sense. Roughly 35K. All right.
What the hell? This guy pissed on the elevator buttons and he got stuck in there.
Yeah.
What an idiot. Imagine having to tell someone when they eventually turn to fix that shit. Oh yeah, I kind of pissed in the buttons.
Yeah, I gotta show this real quick. This is whoops. Wrong way.
Other way.
Ah.
What the F?
Yeah. I'm like, dude,
Ew.
he's gonna electrocute himself. Like, what the hell is he doing?
Why the
Look at the
fuck
door.
did
Look
he
at the
just
door.
Damn it, now the door won't open up.
Ha 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 ha.
Why would you ever piss on elevator buttons while in the elevator?
Right.
What an idiot.
What
you
a
know, he's
schmuck.
lucky that thing didn't shut down and the freaking safety releases didn't let go.
Yeah, that's hilarious. Wow. Anyway,
Yeah.
back to you.
Yeah, I was looking at this 1-inch setup too. So 1-inch, this coin's wrecked, dude. This thing went to like $8 and is $1.
That was my news flash. Back to you, Evan.
Yes, I assume that meant back to me. Yeah. So quick range break here on 1-inch to like $1.12 probably once Bitcoin starts to really go, and then you can see you have lots of this area here was a support that's now probably going to act as resistance, but once it does break here, what happened? You had a spring. And then you had a huge move, right? So
Yeah.
if you can get above that area, well, you guys know what happens. You can do a 3x move if you get back up above that support. That's a pretty major. That's a pretty major move if you can do that, right? So back above $1.22 and you get out of this channel, well, yeah, can do a major move. Crypto's not dead yet. We have, we're at 14 on the fear level, man. This is the best time to be buying crypto assets, not financial advice. Last time we bottomed out, fear and greed was down at 8.
Not financial advice. I love that disclaimer. I love how you just slide that in there.
It's got to be slid in there.
You have to, otherwise you have some crazy fucknut who takes your word as gospel, and then you're in all sorts of worlds of trouble.
Yeah, man. Oh, dude, he told me to buy 1-inch on the stream, and it went to 0.
Oh my God, he is so
Unfortunately,
liable.
we live in a society where it's been fostered and bred that it's easier to blame someone else for your irresponsibilities and problems, and so that's why you have to place those disclaimers above everything even remotely intelligent that you do.
Yeah, because once again, this market isn't regulated, and it's not. These are not regulated assets. So anything can happen with these shit coins. No offense.
Well, they are.
They're all shit coins. The only one. That's
I mean,
not a
really.
shit
Okay,
coin
look.
is Bitcoin.
Let's just.
And even Bitcoin's a shit coin.
They're all options, really. I mean, they're all just another option. Okay, you have the choice. You can either go to, a bank and let them do, roughly all of this anyway, or you can do it yourself.
Or you can just look at Amazon and be like, man, is this thing just going to go to 0 tomorrow? Well, who knows? It's at a critical support. It just bounced right off this area on Friday with 0.25%. Is that even a spring? Like, what is that? That's not, there's no buyers there. Who the fuck bought Amazon on Friday? Nobody?
Wow.
Right?
That's actually kind of funny.
Right? Okay. But dude, this is real though. Like, so you're at this major support level. This is Amazon. This isn't just some shit stock, right? This is Amazon. Okay. You would expect. I mean, this candle right here is kind of indicative of a continuation. So that kind of looks like a hammer, but not really filled out on the top. You want it for a hammer candle, you want the top to not even show a wick at all. So this to me is like, I don't know, man. Is this gonna do it or not? Like, it's a gamble. Like, yeah, you didn't make a candle body close down here, but you wicked down here, right? There was enough selling to come down here, but the buyers were like, pick up the weight. Like they tried to pick this thing up, right? So we'll see. I do think that Amazon will actually go back up to this $2,300 level, all right, and that will actually catalyze some big movements up in the Monday open, the New York session. I am suspecting Amazon to make a 12% move back up if we get a break above this $2,300 level. If that happens, Bitcoin's going to go fucking nuts.
My money don't jiggle jiggle. It folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle.
What's up, multi guy?
Hey, what's going on there, fucking bearded glasses guy? Morpheus, you fucking degenerate.
Bearded glasses guy.
Number one bullshit guy.
Hey, where's that shitbag fucking Shane at?
I think he's getting his asshole bleached today.
He's probably
asshole bleaching. Yeah.
he's probably shitbagging somewhere. Anyways, I gotta do my stream at 8. So if you guys want more technical analysis, of course, pop on over to the Swing Trade Pros live stream. Feel free to cast it again if you want to. If you guys want the content, no problem,
yeah.
Chris. You can do that anytime you want.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, I'm gonna go. Thanks for letting me pop on here. Remember, we do have the new SAR indicator. This is coming out. It's pretty cool with the bots. You can run on spot. You can run it on whatever you want, really.
What bots are you running?
I just run KuCoin right now, but yeah, it's pretty good. Even on spot, it's good.
I mean, so all right. So on the KuCoin, do you need the 800 on every single coin you want to get in, or is it just like each coin has a different parameter dollar wise?
What do you mean 800?
Well, because I went to get into that Luna thing when people were fucking spot trading on Luna, just fucking wrecking shit, and they wanted like 800 to get in on that or something.
That has nothing to do with the bot.
Oh no! He's talking about the KuCoin bot. Like that'd simply be because like.
Oh, I mean, yeah, you definitely want to be trading with at least like 5K, I would say.
Oh well, I'll fucking never get there then.
Hey, don't be like that. That kind of attitude is how you don't get there.
Hey, other debt-free guy, how you doing?
What up, man?
Just hanging out with my brand new Harley I paid cash for.
Hell yeah.
Debt-free.
Nice. Well done.
That looks like a piece of shit.
Yeah, right. Looks like $40,000.
Looks like a fucking. It looks like you're gonna. It looks like you're gonna have to put $1,000 into that thing a month.
Anyways, boys,
I'm
gonna
run
run
here.
Not at all. Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys have a great night. All right.
This is pretty. I already got it stickered up. Look at that.
On the bike, Sheep.
Yeah, this shit looks cool.
Yeah, it's
well done.
Looks like a fucking piece. Look at that little tire in the front. Looks like a fucking moped. What's that say? What the fuck does that say?
1%er.
What the fuck does that mean?
Fucking
What's that mean?
You know what it means.
Doesn't look like a moped.
Don't look like a damn moped. I don't even like Harleys, but this fucker's sexy.
Dude, I'm forever trying to fucking troll you.
Yeah, it's not working.
I know. I try though, motherfucker. I try.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna fucking hook it up. It's gonna be badass.
Yeah, what are you gonna do to it?
I don't know. I'm gonna do something. So far, it's not as comfortable as my bike I just traded in. But
yeah, you need a new seat then.
Yeah, I need seat. I need a backrest. That's like a G. I don't like the handlebars. It's all touchscreen navigation, dude. Like I need a higher because I'm so big. I need a bigger windshield and shit. But yep, people. Because I just saw the name for this show. I was like debt free. I'm like, boom, just got this paid cash.
Is it pretty quick?
Oh yeah, I can't really get on it yet because it's got to do the break-in.
Okay.
But it's way quicker than my last bike. It's got it snaps my head back.
Nice.
But it's not as comfortable. So, but we'll see.
Right.
Pretty excited though.
Yeah, looks good.
Nice.
You don't really look that excited.
Oh, I am. I just got dirty hands. I got to go wash my hands and get on my computer.
What size engine is in it?
A 114 cubic inch.
How many cc's is that?
That's equal to I think almost 2,000 cc's.
It said 114 cubic inch.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 1800. 1868. Yeah.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna do some engine work to it, so that way it's fucking big fast thing.
Nice.
Okay.
Put a twin turbo on it.
Hey Shane, I like your BMW bicycle.
Yeah,
it's a beautiful color, brother.
Oh, I'm gonna get a BMW bike. I am. I'm gonna get a BMW fucking sport bike.
So Shane, you're liking the Harley though? You drive it yet?
Well, I mean, not yet. I don't like it compared to my old bike. It's not as comfortable so far, but I mean, it had like 6 miles on it when I got it, so like nothing's broken in.
The one you just got right there only had 5-6 miles on it.
Yeah, it's 2022.
Oh shit! Oh, what's up? That's, you know what I'm saying. Now, when you buy something brand new, I don't give a shit what it is. When it has like less than like 5-10 miles and shit, that's mad respect. Because normally, someone test drives the car before you fucking get it, so they normally have like 100 miles, 250 miles and shit. Yeah. So that way, every mile on there is your fault. I like that part.
Yeah, that's what I know. I've only had a few vehicles that I bought like that, so this is.
So yeah, I only had one car I bought with like, you know, what I'm saying, like I think I had like 4 miles. Everything else had like 15 to like 20,000 miles and shit on there.
Yes, this thing was almost 40 grand.
Yeah. Oh really? It don't look that big. Maybe I don't know. Maybe just from the angle you're taking the picture. The bike didn't look that big though.
Yeah, it's big.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a full size Harley, right?
Yeah, it's like the biggest.
No, but like you know, I guess because Shane's so tall, the angle was like down. You know what I'm saying? So it didn't really look like it was that tall next to him though.
So you thought it was like a toy bike or something?
No, I thought it was just a smaller bike. I don't even know what size it is, but to me, I thought it was.
Hey Morpheus, is that your son right there in the general chat posing with his fucking? Well, I guess they're bitches, but they're not bitches. But they look like bitches, but they're not bitches.
Hey Shane, do you know what pluggers are?
I'm thinking those are the things that Sheep's girlfriend would shove up his ass.
No, that's a pegger, not a plugger.
Nailed it.
No.
Nailed it.
I almost died on my coffee because of that.
Oh man, that was a pegger.
Right? Yeah. That's a pega, not a plug.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, I want to say thank you to everybody who subbed that new IG account. I got 9 new subs today. Thank you. I know a couple people from here joined, so I love all y'all. And
another new one, or the one I was already following?
No, just the one. You know what I'm saying, because now that we have more time and stuff, so just I gotta start building it up now. Because my first one's only is like me waking bacon and weed and all that kind of shit.
Yeah.
This right here is gonna be like mainly pulse chain and NFTs. So try to separate it a little bit.
So that way your real friends don't know you're gay.
No. So my gay friend Shane will know that he's welcome in that Telegram chat.
You had that one coming.
That's nice.
I didn't want him to feel unwelcome, so I had to start burning Telegram just for him.
Yeah, that's important these days. You got to make.
Yeah, you're saying Shane loves those Pulsicans. Shane loves the Pulsicans.
I heard about that guy.
Yeah.
The ones with really ripped abs, right, Shane?
No, that's Richard Hart who likes those ones.
Oh, okay.
I like the ones with really big boobs.
Dude, I don't fucking okay. I don't know fucking how this part of the came up in Richard Hart's video and shit. When he says, if I was gonna suck some dick, I'd suck some dick with the guy with abs and shit. I don't know how the fuck that came up in the interview at all. I don't even know where that came from. But yeah. But Shane, is that how you feel?
It was random and he initiated it. So by the way, ladies.
RH doesn't give you the gay vibe there, ENJ. No fagdar is going off. Excuse me, gaydar is going off for you.
Fagdar.
No fagdar is going off for you. There's no attack there. Well, you can't comment because you're gonna get in trouble from your Polskin buddies.
Sheep's hero. Richard Harris.
No gaydar is going off at all.
What up?
I'm like, damn, I thought, what the fuck you
Fucking Jerry Springer be like, so you sucked 4 dicks, had 2 trains ran on you, licked ass backwards in the club bathroom, and your boyfriend had no idea? Question mark. Well, now he does because we have him hanging backstage. Roger, come on out.
Right.
Oh man, I used to watch that shit. Fucking that shit was hilarious back in the day.
Yo, do you think if Michael Jackson, when he was singing, said like nigga in his songs, that shit would be like hard as fuck? He would have went hard, huh? Nigga, Billie Jean ain't
Yeah, we are the world. my nigga.
Nah, be a fish ain't Billy Jean.
She said, "I am the one, nigga. Fuck you. I wrapped that shit. I put it in her ass. There ain't no fucking
You know,
way."
honestly, maybe this is me being ignorant, but honestly, that was the biggest hypocrisy ever when he went from chocolate to fucking vanilla.
He had some kind of fucking disease. I forget what it's
Don,
called.
don't
but
make
Uncle
fun of yourself
Ruckus,
because they're ill. Those
Uncle
he had
Ruckus
a
has
disease
fucked
called-
up, Don.
He had a disease called a fucking shitty plastic surgeon.
Uncle Ruckus had it. I forget it. Morpheus knows what the fuck it is.
Yeah, Morpheus has the
left
same
in the sun for
disease.
3 days.
Morpheus has the same disease.
Revitiligo.
Yeah.
No.
What is it?
Revitiligo.
It's
Not
called
vitiligo,
vanilla.
but revitiligo.
It's called vanilla lotion.
Or if you're Ratchet and Black, Revitalico.
Look, all I'm saying is that you look like a Barbie doll had been left out in the sun for 3 days, okay? And that was not a good look.
You know, females over 30 are considered leftover women. Okay,
Well-
dating them's like shopping in the clearance rack. Just so you
Well-
motherfuckers know.
When women
What?
hit the wall,
Yep.
That's the
women
best
hit the
age
wall,
when they're
Rabbit.
like in their 30s.
What? Well, you wouldn't know. You fucking play with dicks.
I don't.
He's like, no, I don't.
I'm not gonna play with your fucking dick. I'm not gonna bang your wife in front of you, no matter how much you ask. It's not gonna happen.
Bang. What are you doing?
Apple Express.
What? Nothing.
Yeah, how many times Fag Rabbits tried to invite me to a Mandingo party at his house? I'm like, I ain't a
Well,
Mandingo.
first of all, you're not even Mandingo, so you wouldn't be invited.
Well, I'm an honorary Mandingo.
You're far from it, dude. You're fucking. You're fucking.
Your woman.
Like, listen, you're like a fucking half-ass, exceptionally fucking okay hung white boy. You're not even fucking close to Mandingo. Next.
He's more of a clan dingo.
10 inches.
Yeah, clan dingo. There you go.
At 10 inches, you're in Mandingo territory.
Yeah, first of all, dude, I got the fucking ruler whenever you're ready, because I guarantee you're not that.
Oh,
yes, bro, I'm bigger than 10 inches.
No, you're
I can see Shane going, I determine where the base is.
Yes, I am. Trust me.
I'm not.
Bro,
trusting
I'm not.
you.
I'm a grower and a shower. I'm fucking 5.5 inches soft, and it gets a lot bigger.
Yeah, why don't you say it a little more quietly so Jenny don't fucking hear you come in
No,
here
I
and
don't.
fucking punch your
Bro, I don't
mouth
want the
inside
kids
out?
to hear. I don't want the kids.
Well,
only
if
clan
you're that
dingo that's
fucking
been
big,
big
I'm
slapped.
sure the kids have heard you fucking plenty of times.
Shane's talking about it. You know what again?
Listen, here's the thing. Here's the thing. If you're that fucking big, I'm sure your fucking kids have heard you plenty of times.
Oh, in the past.
Because you would rip Jenny's little ass apart. Like that. She's too big. She's too small to take that shit.
When I first met her, dude, oh my god, I used to be embarrassed. I'd be like, shh, be quiet, calm down.
Was she in there fucking screaming mariachi?
Fucking head spinning around. Like she just ate some pea soup. It's just fucking flat.
Listen. Okay, next. Anyway, where the fuck's pace car? He's not coming back on here?
Probably not.
Not for a while.
Honestly, could you blame him?
His butthole
Yeah,
still burning.
I can.
His butthole's still burning.
He has every right to be upset.
Yeah, his butthole's still burning. Trust me. That sizzle's got to wear off. We need to send him some. What the fuck is that?
Fuck it, I'm gonna send him $500 right now.
That's what he told me. He goes, man, tell him rather send him $500 to come back on the show. I said that like a week ago.
No,
See,
you're
but
not
that-
supposed
no,
to
see,
pay
that's the
him.
thing.
He's supposed to pay you, Rabbit.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
I mean, I'm not.
See, money can't fix that problem, though. That's the thing. Don't even try. Don't even try with the money thing. It won't fix it. Okay, because at the end of the day, okay.
Yeah,
what you
it's
gotta
still been
remember,
said.
that is still a human being who just discovered something that's fucking jarring. Okay, he's gonna need the time to actually go and properly heal from that, deal with it, learn how to fucking accept that that's how things are.
What he
okay?
needs is
Money
fucking.
is not gonna.
No,
I guess we're not really
his mind
fucking
is
degenerates
blocked
anymore.
because he actually got a visual now of his daughter in, saying
Shut
like
the
that.
fuck up, EJ. You ain't gotta go that fucking deep.
Dude, but that's really what it is and shit. Fucking, you know what I'm saying? Morpheus is sending the pictures. I'm sure fucking.
Oh, I ain't sending them no pictures. Shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up.
I didn't send him not a single picture.
You said, man, I said, these are Mikey. I got him ready. We want proof, man. Morpheus
I'm not
shattered my
that
friend.
icy, dog.
Morpheus shattered my friend's egg and shit. He's all curled up in a ball right now, crying.
See how you
You know
go.
what I'm saying?
See how you are, ENJ, boy. You are a fly by night homeboy.
Hey, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna jump on the computer in a second.
You one of them hide or die homeboys, huh?
I already told you, Morpheus, how I felt about you the other morning and shit.
Oh,
I
wow.
told you, man, my boy Mikey's like curled up in his bed right now, crying and shit, holding himself like a little fetus position and shit. You know what I'm saying? And can't even change his diaper and shit for like the last 3-4 days. It's like, you know what I'm saying? You guys fucked him head up. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know and shit. He cried himself to sleep with a thumb in his mouth and shit like a baby and shit.
Wow.
Yeah, she's not even letting him sleep in the bed no more because he smells so fucking bad. It's fucked up what you guys did to him.
Yeah, so you called and checked
He's
on
not
him, huh?
No. I say this side.
So you didn't call
This is
and
what
check
I
on him, you
visually.
called
This is
bullshit?
what I visualize in him right now.
Oh, okay. This is your wet dream about Mikey.
No. This is just like how I feel like this motherfucker is probably really fucked up right now. I can imagine him like this and shit, but you know, I see Mikey differently than you guys. You guys see Mikey as a tough old guy. I see Michael as a fragile little baby and shit.
No, fragile little baby.
You know
fragile
what?
little fucking baby.
I just want to tell you guys something. I totally want my balls licked like Jeepers Creepers licked that school bus window. Just so you know.
What?
Yeah, go look up the school bus scene, Jeepers Creepers. Everybody's Googling.
No, I'm not. I'm educating assholes in Discord.
Oh.
Right. Oh shit.
School bus window scene right here.
Share your screen.
I ain't fucking sharing shit.
Oh, that's because you got a bunch of dicks on there and assholes and feet and shit, huh?
Yep, I do. That's why I ain't sharing it, motherfucker.
They're his.
They're all
Everybody
his.
else's.
That's poses and shit.
I found these are mine.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Sarah just cracked me up. Holy fuck. Yeah, if you only knew what I was talking about right now.
Fuck you talking about right now?
Yeah, we want to know.
Some very dirty stuff. Oh, well, we're gonna be like hearing.
Oh shit.
Oh, okay. Andy's. Care to share?
Talking about buttholes, basically.
Okay.
Oh shit.
You getting a fucking colonic? Is that what's going on? Can you see this, Morpheus, or no?
What you got?
The Jeepers Creepers fucking bus scene.
Did you drop it in the chat?
I'm sharing my fucking screen. Can you see it or no?
No, we can't. You're sharing your screen, but it hasn't been approved by BlackSheep.
BlackSheep, approve the fucking thing. Wait a minute, don't approve it yet. Don't do that. No.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
What I miss?
Rabbit tried to share his screen. He's like, "Can you see it?" I'm like, "It hasn't been approved yet." And he's like, "Hey, approve the fucking screen." Wait a minute. Don't do that. Don't do that. And then he disappeared. Fucking asshole. Oh my god.
Oh, Brucey guy wants to come back in, huh? So you come crawling back.
Did you do that?
I didn't even smoke.
No, I didn't want you to show it. I didn't want you to approve it because you would have got a strike because I was using copyrighted material. So I had to exit out everything real quick just so you couldn't approve anything and get yourself a strike.
Okay.
I forgot about that shit.
Drop it in the Telegram.
Just fucking Google Jeepers Creepers fucking bus scene, dude.
Oh,
Jeez.
Jesus Christ, really, dude?
Dude.
The movie Jeepers Creepers?
Yes, for fuck's sake.
I don't remember the scene, but that was a cool movie.
It was a cool movie. I thought it
Which
was.
scene are you talking about?
Bus scene, school bus window scene, Jeepers Creepers school bus window scene.
Oh, I just watched that not too long ago too.
It's fucking great. I want my balls to look like he licks his fucking window,
I
dude.
think I did. Or maybe it was something else. No, it was something about the Mothman or something. Mothman prophecies, I think.
Easy. Yeah, I've seen that.
Hey guys, I gotta go. I got family coming around. I'll catch up with you later.
I go off
Later,
with
Donnie.
the family.
Thanks for joining us, brother.
All right, peace, everybody.
Yeah.
Hey, Shane's ass in here yet? Hey, Shane.
Yo.
This is basically what you want to use for your face, of course. Now, close your eyes. Come on, get your face.
Shane. You hear me?
Yeah.
Fucking.
You don't need any more, baby. You got something still on your hands.
E&J.
Look, right here.
Can you not hear me?
See that?
Can't hear shit.
Old ears. E&J got his ass some old ears.
Fuck. Luna. Luna making some moves. E&J.
Hey, Shane.
Yo.
Now, I know you're always clowning on my jewelry. Now, I'm not buying shit. I'm not getting shit like this made. You see that post I posted on the Telegram chat? Motherfucker has 2 boom boxes around his neck as silver chains.
What's the name of the jewelry site you go to?
That guy's a retard. He's a fucking old man. What a retard.
What's the name of the jewelry site you go to?
Who's the guy I go to? Jay from Silver and Gold. Jay Silver and Gold out of Houston, Texas.
Fucking shit ghetto jeweler.
No, he has a stamp. So the shitty jeweler won't have his own stamp.
Silver and gold where?
Out of Houston, Texas.
What do you mean his own stamp?
Yeah,
he has his
when
own
he stamps. When he makes jewelry, he stamps his own stamp. You mean?
Yeah.
Houston gold and silver?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. I'm not looking at it right now.
Is it like blue and pink on the main site?
No, I follow him through his IG and shit.
Come on, for fuck's sake. Why can't you stop fucking why can't you just put the whatever the fuck you talking about up? Why you
Okay, hold on.
Spend all this money, you don't know who this motherfucker is.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I'm the fucking share shit. This is a profile. Damn, share profile. Where you guys at? Nope, can't there. But every time I fucking go somewhere else and shit.
Oh shit.
See, now I gotta fucking hear shit again. Motherfucker.
Guys are all quiet.
Well, I don't know. I guess I'm being ostracized by everybody over this fucking bullshit, and I didn't actually do it, but apparently I did do it. So you motherfuckers can't fucking take blame for your own shit.
You're not being ostracized by me, man. I'm your buddy.
No, I'm about to go fucking slap ham. So
you're about to go slap ham. Oh, okay. To the same pictures.
He does like to see feet and asshole at once.
And she does have a nice butthole, right, Rabbit?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
No comment.
All right.
I plead the
comment,
fifth.
Shane?
F-I-F fifth.
Fifth. Oh, you plead the fifth. Oh my God.
I'm just saying, whatever I might have seen long ago, it was just to confirm, like,
Right. It was purely above board.
Fat Rabbit, that ain't.
Oh, purely.
Oh, yeah, that is. That is. And it was like, Jenny, come check this out. And she's like, well, no, I think she's like, what is Fat Rabbit sending you?
So the first thing for you to do was to show your old lady what was going on. So basically,
dude, there was times where Fat Rabbit sent me stuff, and I like start watching it. And she's like, "What the fuck are you watching?" Like, don't know,
man. Get the fuck out of here! There's my lighter, man. Get the fuck out of here! It's my lighter and shit, motherfucker, man. Next fucking person says that's their fucking lighter and shit, dude. I'm start selling everyone's fucking lighter. Don't fucking buy gray lighters, motherfucker. I told you guys. Tell them every fucking time. It was my gray lighter. Motherfucker, get the fuck out of my face. That gray lighter shit. I'm sorry.
That's so they can switch them out on your ass when they start getting low on fuel.
No, I buy gray lighter so I know it's my gray lighter. I tell everyone, don't buy a fucking gray lighter. What do they fucking do? They buy a gray lighter. Oh, it's my lighter. Man, get the fuck out of here. Told you don't buy no fucking gray lighter. I see a gray lighter is mine.
Nah.
No, I fall asleep on the couch a lot, and it'll fall in and drop on the couch. And then other people sit on the couch. You know, I have one of those couches that eat lighters and shit.
Who the fuck? Wow. So Rabbit and and I are apparently Obama and Michelle, huh? Nice work, Mama Mia. Well done.
Oh,
that's
a good one.
What a dick.
That's next level shit there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Well done.
Good one. I cannot believe I just.
Hey, Rabbit, you're still watching show. I put the Telegram link in the Telegram.
Yeah, I know, dude. I spent a lot of money this week too.
Yeah, dude. Like I was writing. I kept writing home, and I kept like bursting out in laughter. Like, I was like, "What the fuck? I just bought a $40,000 motorcycle cash."
That's what's up. That's what's up.
What the fuck? If people could have seen my face because I had a mask on, I would have looked like a crazy person. I'm like, ha ha ha, ha.
Right. Oh, should run around and be like,
nobody will let me suck their dicks.
Basically.
You're starving for attention. Go somewhere.
So I go in the kitchen and cook something.
If you go really, really, really fast, the cops will give you attention. They'll even turn the lights on top of their cars.
Yeah, for you. They'll give you a lot of attention.
Yeah.
You want to get punched in the face?
No, the house gets attention too.
You know how else you get attention? Piss yourself and go in and then walk into church. You want
Don't make me say something that you're going to regret, Shane.
I will regret it because I'm better than you at this game.
I can't hear him.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead, Shane.
Oh, I'm going to be nice with the piss a bit.
You might want to be.
Oh, girl, you better fucking stop before you get fucking piss all running down your fucking inner thigh, bam, and filling up your shoe, and you're going into Chick-fil-A, and everyone's like,
there's something
what
I'm
does it smell
not
like piss? And you're like,
about?
guilty.
Now, what are you not supposed to talk about? What when he caught the dick on the side
Yeah.
of his face? No, I think Jenny knows about that. She's like, look, as long as you're done being gay, we can be together.
Well, never was gay.
I could fool me.
You got slapped in the face with a dick.
Yeah, that doesn't make me gay. Yeah. I was adventurous.
If you take a dick and you slap yourself in the face with it, gay. If you hear points of admission, bitch, and you're so drunk you can barely fucking walk, and you look over and there's a slow motion, there's
That
a
old
dick
man down
coming
there.
at you. You got one or two moves. I could have done one of these. Yeah. Thanks. I could have done
called me and Jay an old man. She said, "Who's that old man down there?" I'm dead. I am
You
dead.
know what he looks like?
He looks like the dude from Breaking Bad.
No, he don't. He looks like.
No, I don't.
No,
No, I don't.
Mm-hmm. Damn, he's got the boobs and all.
I do. You jealous?
Mine are bigger, honey. No, I'm not jealous.
Is your belly bigger though?
Yeah.
Oh. You gotta leave me the fuck alone.
She came in just throwing fire.
Hey. I'm almost 50. You know, I don't give a fuck. I'm me.
Bought and paid for, right?
Yep, shit. You know what I'm saying? Created, cured, molded in my own resemblance.
Molded, huh?
I molded myself. Did you mold yourself?
That's a lot of carne asada.
Well, I'm going to bed. Good night.
Bye. Au revoir, les enfants.
Hey, go potty before you go to bed.
Hey, make sure you have the coffee maker set timer for the morning.
He says,
no, the most important thing is it's like a kid. You got to be like, did you drink water before you went to bed? You better go pee. You better go pee
just
before
be
you
safe.
go to bed.
Go to the bathroom.
we don't got the fucking plastic cover on the mattress this week. We got to take it off because you pissed all over it last week.
Yeah, you gotta wash your plastic sheets, huh?
Morpheus, do you got the plastic covers all over your couches like the old black ladies do, but you have it so your girl don't piss everywhere?
No, they black leather couches, so it is what
So
it
you just wipe
is.
the piss right off?
Yeah, black leather couches too.
Yeah.
Oh, that would have been hilarious if Morpheus had, like the old black ladies, they leave the plastic on the couch and shit. That'd be Morpheus. But it's so white girl don't piss all over it.
Like, no, it's brand new. I'm selling it, brand new. It's just been here for a minute.
And then you can't never sit on that couch either.
No one's ever sat on it before.
Yeah. Like you go
they delivered the wrong color, and I'm leaving the plastic on until I can get it back to them. They come out color.
Yeah, 2 years later, they delivered the wrong color. Don't sit on the couch. Well, you got plastic. It doesn't mean you can sit on it.
That's funny.
Morpheus, you grew up. Your mom was more Mexican or Hispanic, right?
Plastic on her couch.
Yeah, my mom was. She looked like an old white lady.
But how does she act though? Does she act like a girl who likes black dudes?
Pura chicana.
She's like Hispanic,
like overly done.
Yeah,
you're right. I told you about her embarrassing me in a fucking Mervyn's when we went to go buy a fucking halogen lamp when I was 14. I ever tell y'all that story?
I don't know.
She
told you were black, and you're like, ay, mommy.
Adios mío. No, shut up, fool. Look, anyways, we were in there, and the lady was, she was a black attendant who was helping. She was helping a white guy. Okay. And they came up to the front of the line because she was already helping this dude. And of course, my mom pops off. El pinche cabacho no tiene respeto para nada. Because she thought, he cut in front of us. But he did not.
You're a mom. No, stop.
Yeah, I was like, no, I was just like Stan when in the Naggers episode of fucking South Park. Yeah. And dude started laughing, and then she pops off again in Spanish, more. And then he goes, look, I'm laughing because my wife is Hispanic and I speak Spanish fluently. I was here before you. And, good times. Yeah,
she's like, she.
Pretty embarrassing shit.
You're still in my lighter no more, man.
Yeah.
No, yeah, because I did.
I keep two of them and shit.
I didn't show your fucking.
Hey, I
letter.
hear your uncle. You haven't gotten rid of him
Man,
yet.
motherfucker, you're supposed to be moving out tomorrow and shit.
You say that every day.
If he keeps acting up and shit, he can be homeless tonight.
Every day.
Uncle, ENJ's got a
Uncle.
rash. He needs you to put some cream on it. He can't reach it. It's on his butt.
Nah, man, shit. Fucking Minnie almost fucking started
butt
choking this
crack.
morning. Motherfucker, I'd hate to whoop a man's ass who's dying of cancer and shit. But damn, motherfucker started threatening me this morning. I'm like, dude, first of all, you ain't gonna fucking lay hands on fucking nobody and shit. Minnie got this man. My granddaughter was sick last week, right? So she stayed home. She had like a sore throat, so she stayed home for like 2-3 days from school. She was gone. Anyway, my mom woke up this morning and she was sick and thrown up, so she had the same thing my granddaughter had. And so my uncle's like overprotected, like, your mom just saved me from dying of cancer and all this kind of shit. She's sick and we need to take care of her and we need to fucking do this and do that, take her to the hospital. And my mom says, man, she just wants to be left the fuck alone and let her sleep. You know what I'm saying? Uncle Joe, like, man.
He's like, oh, you keep pulling out the defibrillators. Clear. You're like,
shit.
She just has fucking cold.
You know, he's like, no, we need to give her a fucking a COVID test. It's like, man, those fucking homemade COVID tests don't even work half the time. The fuck?
Yeah, but they want you to believe they work.
Yeah, I know. Like, no, like I say, we're one of those people. Something has to really be wrong with us to go to the hospital.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? We don't, oh, I got a headache, I'm going to the hospital. You know what I'm saying? That's not the way, we are here. Now, my mom, now she's a little older. Yeah, but you know what I'm saying?
How old is she now?
We have to have like a broken bone before we go to the hospital or some shit.
How old is mama? ENJ? How old is mother? How old is mummy, ENJ?
Mommy. Hey, mommy.
Is she 72, ENJ? How old is mummy? ENJ? Don't get silent on us, ENJ.
He's probably talking to mommy right now. He's like, mommy, I
Don't
need
will
more
manage.
money.
ENJ?
Do my sound just go out again?
Yes.
No, I hear you.
Piece of
Now
shit.
we hear you, but yeah, it went out.
You guys are just thinking so hard.
No. How old is mom, ENJ? Still quiet, little motherfucker.
Quiet
Okay.
again.
Fuck you, ENJ. You's a punk ass. Answer the question, motherfucker.
Here, Rabbit. Here, this is for you. This right here. There's a guy who does my jewelry.
Okay.
Bam. And to prove that he's the guy who does my jewelry, look, there's the mantra.
You said hi to the neighbor?
I haven't said hi to nobody.
That's fucking gay.
Bam.
Did you really
What?
get a fucking
That should be here Monday.
medallion of somebody else's crypto thing?
Yep.
I can't hear fucking shit, dude.
Yeah, all of a sudden he can't hear when he did it because when we're like, "Are you stupid?" He's like,
He's like, I can't hear y'all. I just no way.
Like, I wouldn't even do that with sheep token. He's like a wannabe Richard Hart down here. He's all fucking getting Mintra fucking and like at least ENJ Gold. That's at least your thing. It's your logo. Now you getting other people's logos as your fucking jewelry and shit. Boy, you just getting queerer and queerer.
I know how I could check. Fuck you guys.
Hey, are you gonna put the blow dryer on the Mintra one too? Your little Alf holding the blow dryer.
Alf.
It's Alf holding a blow dryer, dude.
Dude, what the fuck? I can't really hear shit. It's fucking crazy.
Oh shit. Who's that? Oh. Damn. I got like
what the fuck is going on with shit?
Fucking damn. I got like $1,000 off of my bike just by using the fucking by using the crypto.com card, and then I used my credit card because my debit card I had the limit raised, but it didn't go through. So I was like, "You guys take credit cards?" He's like, "Yeah," and I'm like, "Oh, fucking put it on this credit card. I'll get 2% back on the card." So I got like 2% off of a good chunk of the bike, but I got like 5% off of majority of the cost of the bike.
But wait, Shane, you have a debit card that gives you 2%.
No, my I have a credit card because I was going to use my debit card, but I raised the limit, so I should have like 10 grand a day I can spend on it now, but it hasn't gone through still. So I was like, "Fuck, man!" I'm like, "You guys don't take credit, right?" And he was like, "Yeah." I was like, because the credit card I get like, I don't know if I'm getting 2 or 5% back on the purchase, but if I got 5% back on the credit card.
But you're talking about the crypto.com, or are you talking about another one?
Another one on my crypto.com. I spent 19,000 for the bike on the crypto.com card, and so I got 5% off of that, 19 grand.
Well, you know that you can top up your crypto.com credit card using your other card. So you can double up on your cash.
Yeah.
Just so you know, like if you're gonna make a purchase, might as well double it up.
Oh, I did that shit earlier. Yeah, shit.
There's Shane. Did you see that?
He missed the fucking whole lake.
I know.
Oh
He's
shit.
fucking wrecked.
Frankie,
Yeah,
come here.
Oh. Fuck, man.
Yeah, he probably broke a couple bones.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, dude, yeah, it's like you almost heard him thump when he hit the ground.
Yeah.
Frankie.
I bet you that guy probably bought himself a new Mintra little medallion and stuff. And
Hey,
that guy makes bad decisions.
Hey, half that was paid for because I won a contest, right?
And your point
is actually only paid half.
You're that big of a whore.
I won a contest. I won a contest and won some money, and so that there covered like half the expenses of it.
Ian J will sell. He probably would tattoo his butthole if you paid him enough money. Right on the butthole, he probably like tattoo like hex pulse chain.
And it'll say Shane tattooed my asshole. That's what it'd be.
I mean, I ain't a tattoo artist. I ain't touching your asshole. If I won't touch your asshole with my dick, you think I'm gonna
Okay, then my asshole ain't getting tattooed then. Unless you're doing it, it's not gonna happen. Yeah, exactly.
I just got the chills. Ah, my little baby. Jenny, I know you were staring at my new bike. Did you jerk off to it?
No.
Not
She
yet.
was out there flicking the bean, huh? Okay. That bike didn't look that sexy, Shane.
It is sexy.
Yeah, it's not. I mean, it's.
She just said it's pretty sexy.
But it looks smaller than your old bike.
That's what I said. The bike looks small. And I thought maybe it was just the camera angle.
Way bigger.
Yeah. He went out and got a lady's bike.
Yeah,
No, this bike is way bigger. But this one doesn't have the tour pack on the back. That's what she means. It doesn't have the trunk. It just has the bags.
Oh, okay. Do they have a model they make for men?
That's a fucking man's bike. You couldn't handle that bike.
Which one's a man's bike? The one you got, or
Yeah,
the one you had back in the day.
This one's faster than the Victory, but so far nowhere near as comfortable. But I can't even get on it yet until the first 100 miles. I can't really rip it, dude. So I'm like having to like 70, 80 miles an hour, and I'm like 100-mile-per-hour plus guy usually when I hit the freeway.
Yeah, I made it from Reno to Vegas in like 5 hours. I'm like, fuck, dude, you must have been flying.
That was in the car.
Yeah, I know. I can't imagine on a bike.
The bike I cruise way faster. I'll just fucking 100, 120. Just.
But Shane, let me ask you a question honestly. If you're you're doing like 120, say you're doing 110 or above, do you pull over for cops? Do you get pulled over on your bike if they hit you up, if they light you up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Just take the ticket. Just take the
The
ticket.
one time I didn't pull over, I wasn't sure I was being chased, but he clocked me at 132. And I wasn't slowing down to see if that was a cop and if he's watching and if he's following me. Me and my buddy, we just fucking
kept going, yeah.
And he caught us like 10 miles down the road. Fucking felony.
How in the fuck can he catch you though?
Because we pulled over and we're waiting for all the other bikes.
Dumb.
Okay.
Yeah, the cop caught up to us. It was a Fed. It was the ranger. Those park rangers, people think.
Oh, the green ones. Yeah. We have that.
No, fuck you, park rangers.
No, they have jurisdiction everywhere.
They're federal police officers. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're the fucking feds. People don't.
No,
think
we have them out here. We have them out here.
Yeah, people think,
yeah, I think they're white and brown out here. I think they're white and brown.
Park ranger. Oh, a park ranger.
Yeah.
Motherfucker, that park ranger could, if it would have been Las Vegas police, because we were out at Red Rock when we got popped. That's one of that places we went when we took the cars, you know, the last area we went through. If I would have gotten caught by the local guys going that fast, they would have just they would have just called it in and let me go because they're not supposed to chase at those speeds. It's dangerous. Well, guess what? A ranger, they can chase you at any fucking speed they want. Dude, we were doing 170 and he was still chasing us.
What's higher, a ranger or a marshal?
Yeah.
Are they about the same?
Depends, I think. You can be a federal marshal, but marshals can be local too.
How fast was the ranger going?
He said he was doing triple digits on a dirt road. He said he was telling the other cop when the other cop showed up, the Metro guy, and he was all, man, I was hitting triple digits, boom, 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 just watching them come up the highway because we were heading towards like Pahrump up that way on Blue Diamond.
Yeah.
And he's like, I was cutting miles off of the chase, triple digits in the dirt. He was because he had a big old fucking Ford Explorer or whatever, you know.
Yeah.
But they fucking soup those up with all kinds of crazy fucking suspension and shit, and he was all like laughing and shit. And then he was like, "How fast are you guys going?" Like, I'm not fucking answering that. Fast enough, apparently. Because then afterwards too, he goes, "Do you know what your bike?" Because when they started up my bike, because they impounded my bike, that was the only thing he did, and he gave us some tickets. But when he impounded my bike and they're pulling it up there, the tow truck guy was like, "Man, my bike sounds good." And he goes, "You know what your bike sounds like at 132 miles an hour?" And he starts laughing. I'm like, "Is that police humor?" I'm like, "I want my bike, prick." Like, but he was.
So what do they do with you? So they impound the bike, they just leave you out there in the middle of nowhere, or
no? They had the tow truck driver towed us to the first gas station into town. He was allowed to do that, and he couldn't go any further. But the only reason why we didn't get arrested because the guy that was in front of me, he was an off-duty correctional officer. So basically, because they let him go, they had to let me go too. They gave us tickets. That fucking federal speeding ticket. We basically got the federal version of reckless driving. We got the federal version of evading a police officer, and then we got.
Did you lose your license or nothing? I mean, what happened?
No, I couldn't go to any national parks for 6 months. It was like I was on federal probation, but I didn't have to check in with anybody. It was basically like don't get caught on federal land for 6 months. I couldn't go to Lake Mead. I couldn't go out to Red Rock, and as long as 6 months I stayed out of trouble. And the cool thing about a federal ticket is it doesn't hit your driver's license either. The only way it'll hit you and give you points at all is if you don't pay. You go to court and they say, this is how much it is, and you fucking pay it and you get no points.
Dude,
it's a neighbor and I exchanged the wife our numbers.
Okay.
Because she was very thankful.
Okay.
Yeah, but
so
my neighbor's dog got out.
My ticket, if I remember correctly, it was about 13. So they dropped the two worst ones. They dropped the evading a police officer and they dropped the reckless, and they only hit us for the speeding part of it. It was like $1,300 just for the fucking speeding part, and we were so.
That sucks about the getting the bike out and shit, because you have to go back to the police station. You have to get your license from them.
I had my bike out the moment it was ready.
From them. saying that you could release the property.
Well, I had my bike right away, dude. I literally.
I'm saying how it is out here.
I was calling them, and they were like, "We don't even have your bike checked in yet." I'm like, "How long? How long? I'm not leaving it there because I know you guys charge the longer it's there." And I'll never forget. It was $420 is how much it fucking cost me to get that motherfucker out. And my bike was only in there for like 20 minutes. Like I called them. They were like,
"I built my bike out quick." Like,
yeah,
motherfuckers in there. Like, come bail me out.
Yeah, dude. 20 minutes in there, like 20 minutes, and I had it out. And then my buddy waited until like the next day, and it started like raining, one of those really bad Vegas like torrential downpours, and like it flooded the whole fucking yard. And so he's like having to ride his bike out. He set in like 6 inch of water in their yard, and he's on a sport bike, fucking having to ride it out, just getting dumped on. And he paid that like 13, 14 hours longer that his bike was in there. He paid like an extra $200.
Yeah. No, my son had his Pathfinder impounded before, except for I don't know. He had 2 IDs. He had his ID and he had his driver's license, and so the cop took his driver's license and stuff like that. And so when we said, "Oh no, you got to go back up there," and like the cops were giving him a hard time, so I said, "Man, just use a backup ID. Use a backup ID." Got the car out and shit like that. So no, but yeah. What the fuck was I gonna say now? I was gonna say something. Love you. Dinner was good. Thank you.
Yeah, all that to what? Go a little faster.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of speed. I'm not in a rush to get nowhere.
You know, I mean,
I drive very slow.
That's not impressing me. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
like, oh, they get to charge me $400 to start, and then I get to pay an extra $1,300 later. Oh, that sounds like so much fun.
And impound fees to the
right,
shout.
Right. For what? To go fast and probably.
Yeah, that's like almost $2,000. You just bought. You could like not buy a new bike, but you just bought something to.
Right. You could
for
buy
$2,000. You
cool
probably could buy something brand new.
You know
but that's because, like you say, because I'm broken. You know, what I'm saying, I buy $2,000 to $5,000 cars. So, no,
hell no.
Yeah, so like damn, $1,300 ticket plus $400 an impound. Yeah, that's $1,700. I just buy another car. Fuck the bike.
Nah, that's crazy, man.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I know it's probably fun.
Speaking of fucking crazy, did you guys see your H&W Friday payouts? What?
What were they?
Oh, you mean last week? You mean on Friday?
Yeah.
My like 1 point something that I got for my fucking almost $300,000 in NFTs.
I got 0.2.
0.2.
Damn, my 1.5 is baller status then.
Yeah, believe it or not, ENJ was gonna give me an H&W NFT one day. He was like, "I'm gonna hook you."
Yeah,
I'm like, nah, that's okay, man. You don't have to.
No, I gave away like 5 or 6 around Christmas time.
I was like, nah, man, that's okay. You don't have to. He's like, oh, well, something about the transfer thing is fucking up anyway. I'm like,
shit, you know what?
Damn.
Dude, they fucked up the price of the H&W on that fucking on the NFT for sale site, whatever the fuck, Tofu. Man, they got them down for fucking a quarter of BNB.
Well, the first person who knocked the price down pretty far,
Fucking
Rabbit.
Yeah, dude, he fucked.
I was like, bro, raise your fucking price. Don't be the bottom guy by a lot. Like, if you're gonna be the bottom, like the lowest price,
he just wanted to get out.
Just by like one.
I understand that, dude, but don't fuck it up like that, dude. Go down a little bit.
What was the price that he charged?
Okay, like, I think half a BNB or less.
Oh, they were 1 BNB. We're 1 BNB.
Yeah, I had all mine at 1 BNB and up.
BNB.
I had 6 for sale, and he went like boom, half BNB right away. And I was like, no, bro. I even gave him a hard time. He's all, fuck you over here on the live stream. I'm like, no, dude,
and then
you're fucking yourself too.
Monkey see, monkey do. Like, oh yeah, fuck you. I'll go lower. It went down to a quarter BNB per fucking NFT.
Damn.
Yeah. Like, dude, like, okay, I can take all 35 of my NFTs and get like 9 BNB.
If you're lucky.
Yeah, exactly.
Well,
because
the
no
point
me
is-
someone would undercut the price and fucking go to 0.24 BNB and shit. You know,
the point is, it doesn't seem like they've been too damn profitable.
Oh well, the whole thing is it's all profit though. I've been a
Well,
profit fucking
for
I've been a
you,
profit
Cabbage
fucking-
Handaroo, because you fucking
Dude, I got like
cashed
I got
out
like
right
I want
away.
to say I
and
got
got
like
your
38.
paper, right?
I want to say I got like maybe 38,000. I want to say I got. I want to say I got like 30.
You made 40 grand
off
on
H&W.
H&W
From the pre-sale. I want to say yes.
Okay.
I want to say at least 30 plus.
Nice.
For $500.
Nice. That's pretty
Dude,
good.
like I said, I can't complain, you know, because fucking everything we spent, boom, and then they gave it back to us, and then sold half and bought it. Dude, yeah. Thank you, Hobbs. Appreciate it. It really helped me out.
Hey, there were some good things that came from Hobbs. We met a lot of cool people like Diero. You know, so like there's some positive that did come from it. Look at fucking Prosper. Prosper, that was his big life-changing come up. You know what I mean?
I'm gonna throw it all into drip. I'm gonna throw it all into drip. Shit, that shit. Master nodes.
I'm still waiting for Luda to go to like $20 so I can buy my Porsche.
I got a $250,000 Luna just that I just have. Oh shit. I got like 150 in and it's worth $56. So I'm still down like $100 on it. But I'm not throwing no more in there. I'm just gonna see what happens. I'm hoping this gonna give me my Shane and Rhino. Yeah, I threw like $100 in there and shit's worth like $85,000 now. Hey Shane, what's going on P and Y speaking of master nodes?
I don't know. I don't pay attention.
No, P and Y, dude, fucking it like they got like less than 2 BNB and shit on the oh yeah, it's 2.2 BNB.
I know that people said that it dropped a lot. Like I never pay attention to the price of any of it. It doesn't matter to me because I'm not selling it. It's not going anywhere. It's just stacking for me. So I honestly never watch. Only one I watch price on is Sapphire just because that's my daily pay. That's what bought me the fucking.
Well, yeah, I mean, I watch my Mobic because my Mobic's my biggest one.
So Moonwalker posted in the chat. It looks like he got 1.406 H&W for 2 bronze. Is that what it looks like?
No, he's not 0.14 or something like that. Yeah, dude.
Maybe he didn't claim before or something for a while.
Yeah, that's 2 weeks, brother. That's 2 weeks. Last week I got 0.9.
So
last week I got 0.9. Not this past Friday. 2 Fridays ago, I got 0.9.
Yeah, so is that 2 weeks?
That's for 2 weeks, bro. That's for 2 weeks. 1.4 for 2 weeks.
I'm sorry. That shit is fucking hilarious.
Yeah, because I got 32. I got 32. I got 29. I got 30 bronzes and 1 silver, and I got 2. 2.2. I got like 2.3. But yeah, that's for like 3 weeks though.
Yeah, it's funny.
Yeah, I got 31 bronze and 1 silver, and I have 2.33 H&W, and that right there is for 3 weeks of payouts.
Still got 10 people out there.
Hit that fucking like button.
You still got 10 people out there. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Yeah.
10 people out there.
Fuck the like button.
That's the like button.
That's the like button. F it. Yeah, F it, crypto, black sheep. Man, they were so excited when they got to do that. They were like, really? I'm like, you can't say the real word. You have to say F.
Oh my god,
dude! Those kids when I first got back in contact with Chris and like started coming on the live stream, those kids where they were like 10 years old, I would catch them every day watching the live stream on our big screen downstairs. You know, I was like, you know what, guys, maybe you shouldn't be watching this.
Mm.
Someone.
Yeah, the show is a little
What was it?
PG.
Their Shih Tzu Bella was licking me. She was growling at me when I was trying to save her, but she was licking me, and I said, "Oh, you're welcome." But no, I said she was almost in the street, and I said, "You know what? I didn't want nobody to take her or her."
Yeah. That's what I do is lose your dog.
But no, her at the corner here, she was.
Oh, fuck her.
She was doing a Yui and she was dogging me.
Fuck them. That big old Biden sign when they fucking moved in.
And she was like, I said, I live right there. Their dog got out, okay? She says, oh, okay. And she was doing a Yui. Like, bitch, you just got here. Get over it.
Fuck them. They got big old Biden sign in their front window of their house. Man, bitch gets far off the block.
No, they told me that they have the same dogs as they do. A pug and a Shih Tzu. That's just it. And
I wouldn't even talk to them. I didn't even take them coffee and shit at Christmas time. I did all my neighbors' coffee except them.
But no, I said when we're gonna let her back in the gate, you know what? She just let herself back inside underneath.
Yeah.
So
I don't like them. I don't like the corner people.
And they said, "Do you have a dog?" I said, "Yeah, I do," but I was gonna take him for a walk, but she was out there barking.
Mexicans.
So I said,
got Mexicans on my corner.
She didn't like it. She didn't like
it. Yeah, they got Mexicans on my corner. They got a big old Biden cardboard, Biden hair and shit in their window. They just moved in. And I'm like, yeah.
What are you doing?
No, I'm talking about the corner house.
Minding our fucking business.
Recommend you do the same.
Hell yeah.
Got a little piece of the edible?
No. I can get my own brownie if I want it.
No, don't get beat up, Morpheus. Don't get beat up.
Shit, she high as shit. She wobbling already. She almost hit the door jam and shit.
You probably kicked her in her leg and shit so she can't run away. So she has to hobble away.
Right.
Get over here, Vic.
Right. Sure.
You little bitch, I already done told you. What do you tell a woman with two black eyes?
Nothing.
Yeah, you've already told her twice.
Shit no more. She already in the kitchen cooking.
What do you tell a woman with two black eyes? That's funny. Wasn't that one written by Ike Turner?
Probably.
I think so.
Probably. Good old Ike. She used to get Iked all the time.
Eat the cake, Anime. You better eat that motherfucking cake. Fuck your ass up. Fuck you, Ike. Oh. Okay, I'll eat the cake. You son of a bitch, you bastard.
Piston token. It's not a fork of clone. It's an evolution of clone. It's an evolution of drip. When that dude came out and started saying that shit. It's evolution. Okay,
of what? For
the
what?
price of evolution to the ground. Piston token is at $15.14.
Yeah, dude, we've been having the piston token guys like blowing our shit up too much lately. Like, I don't like when like one fucking coin just comes in and just starts blowing our shit up. Like, dude, first of all, we're our own projects. Secondly, like
it's okay if you shit. It's okay if we shill your token, but you don't come here and shill your token.
But all the time, like if people want to talk about it, but like every time that's all they talk about.
Like, hey, is that one of our referral links? To get that shit out of here. Is that the team link? No, to get the shit out of here.
It's
no real shit. That's just shit like that. Is that a sheep team link? No,
no,
get
it's
that out of here.
What's that black kid? He's a cool black dude. He's actually he's not a Democrat. He's fucking hates Democrats.
No, but I'm saying,
But
if they
he
want
always
to kill
posts-
here, they should be under the team.
Yeah, but he calls him he changed his name to like Piston Pete or something like that. But I mean, he used to talk.
Piston Pete. Yeah,
He used to talk all the time about all kinds of shit with us in the voice chat. Now the only thing I ever hear him talking about is only Piston. And I want to be like, bro, tell us how much you fucking hate Democrats for the next 3 days. I don't want to fucking hear about only Piston.
Yeah, like I say, I almost FOMO'd into fucking Piston at like $21.
I do think Pistons. I mean, I haven't been following it, but I think Piston is a good thing.
What's Piston out?
15, 14.
What's it? A guaranteed 5x paid over time?
Oh shit! Give me a second. I have a phone call.
Yeah, I mean, but if I throw 1,000 tokens at $25, then I'm getting 5,000 tokens back. I mean, I guess it's still gonna be more profitable unless it goes down to like fucking like $5.
Right. Then
you're okay. So the gamble is you hope that you pull your 5x out before this token goes down low enough to not make your profit.
Bingo bango furry triangle. Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
Oh, I got to put in more. I got to put in more fresh
token.
capital. See if I can get my return.
No, I never jumped in Piston token, but like I say, when I seen it, I seen it like at 17, 18 bucks. Almost jumped in at like 21, 22. And then I almost really jumped in when I seen 25. I was like, fuck, is this thing really going $100?
Well, if you didn't get into Piston, Furio's our next play.
No, not getting a Furio either. I'm getting a Sheep and Masternodes. That's it.
Sheep and Masternodes. Built tender from that Elefante.
Every time I threw some money in Elephant, guess what happened? You know what I'm saying? I threw some money in Luna. Guess what happened? I threw some money in something else. Guess what happened? So I'm throwing money in Sheep, and I'm throwing money in Strong Hands, and I'm throwing money in fucking Mash Notes. So I mean, honestly, those are like the only 3 plays I have.
Ian J.
I'm like a three trick pony. That's it.
Ian J. A day after I started shilling Elephant is when the hack happened. A day, 1 day. Before that, I was like, Soon as I jump on board,
my dumb ass, I got greedy, went in for a third dip and shit. There's when it happened. I turned 10 into 14, pulled it out. 10 into 14, pulled it out, and I put 10 in. Thought I could do it a third time. Yeah. So
look, I know the feeling, man. I know the
that's
feeling.
Okay. Pulse is gonna be like this. It's gonna be my Play-Doh. It's gonna glue my eyes back together again.
Sometimes you can't catch a break, bro.
Oh, I can.
Just saying.
I can.
Well, I can't. Mister, I made 40K off of H&W. Fuck you, man. How about that?
What's up? So,
you tell them, stay tuned, and maybe somebody will do a sheep airdrop to the community. You know what? That might be something to think about doing. Is right now that sheep's like $5. Maybe buy like say 100 sheep and do like a 2 sheep airdrop or giveaway to something to the live stream. Try to get more people to come over, talk about sheep tokens.
Oh, yeah.
You know, like I mean, every day until sheep tokens comes out, we're dropping 2 sheep tokens so you can get 1 sheep NFT. You know, but you can only win once. Or something like that, you know. That we gotta get back on track and talk about sheep token. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Okay.
I mean, I know you give away a lot already with drip and stuff like that, but you know, if you give away like 2 sheep tokens a day, so that they can get 1 drip, you know what I'm saying, to like new people or people from like Facebook or other.
yeah, I plan on doing plenty of giveaways once we launch, but we're just waiting on Don to finish. So.
Until we talk about everything else, we don't really talk about sheep too much over here anymore.
Well, because we're waiting for him to finish development,
hasn't it? It has been kind of a minute, hasn't it?
But we should be fairly
We talk about sheep like almost every day. I don't know where you've been.
I've been here.
We at least mention the price once or twice a stream.
Oh, I know that.
Just a couple days ago, we had some big buys by Western Star.
Yeah, actually, I seen that like the 5-8 grand.
It's just a waiting game.
Yeah. Oh, 26.3 crow to 1 sheep token.
So, what these new?
Chilling.
Yeah.
Chilling.
What the fuck?
Dude, that car did fucking fly on that one.
What the fuck is this shit? What the fuck?
You. Sorry, I'm getting all my congratulations phone calls.
Really?
Well, yeah, between the bike and I officially got patched in. The other club, I'm no longer a prospect.
Oh, okay.
Wait. That was a quick
140 days. Well, I didn't have to prospect at all, bro. I volunteered with who I was. I didn't have to. I could have started out as a probate, and I was like, nah, I want to do it the right way.
Yeah.
So they let me do it that way. And all the other guys, there was like other guys that got patched in today too that have been prospecting way longer than me.
Oh, so you guys do it all at one time? It's not like an individual.
It depends on the situations. Like the last guy who got patched in they did individually, yeah. But it's cool. Like I wasn't expecting that to happen today. And then I got the new bike too. I was like, damn, it's a big day.
So you're a full patch, got a new horse.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Yep. But one thing is I am not a in any way, shape, or form, any position, and I never want to be. Because I fucking held a position for a
You
while.
won't even take sergeant at arms.
No, there's people that are. I don't want to be anything. I don't want to be nothing.
Okay.
I just wanted.
He's supposed to be part of the club.
Yep. I did. I the last 3 years before this, I ran half of the state. That's kind of a big fucking responsibility. So I'm glad. Like I don't want responsibility. That's why it's funny. My life here versus my life out there is so different. Like the way people view me here on the crypto shit.
Mm-hmm.
Like my life couldn't be more different in real life.
Shook got you, bro. He said Shane checking in with his PO. All right.
You gotta answer it.
Maybe.
Checking in with my PO. Man. Guys are all quiet.
I'm looking at this Asian. I'm kind of scared. Like, is it really a woman? Some of these posts you guys put in the freaking Telegram chat.
If Clover posted it, don't even click on it because it's gonna.
Nah. The chairwoman Doge.
Right. Clover, I'm starting to think has a thing for fucking trannies. That's why he always makes jokes too about, oh, Shane's gay, because he's a bigger, gayer. He's like, how could a guy like a guy being like Shane size be worse if they're gay? Be Clover size. Because Clover he's not a huge difference bigger than me, but he's fucking bigger than me. And he loves himself some lady boys.
All right. I gotta go rescue a homeboy. You know, stuff.
Captain Save a Ho.
I was just gonna say that too.
No, I gotta go rescue a homeboy. He's stuck. I guess.
You guys want to talk to me while he's gone?
Fuck no.
Yeah, we do. We do. Actually, Morpheus, unmute it, Morpheus. We want to talk to her.
Morpheus gave you the finger.
No. Morpheus is scared. What, are you ashamed of your beautiful white woman?
He's ashamed of her white skin. That's why he don't show her camera. He goes, I will not show you my white devil woman.
What? Am I ready? I guess. Well, we're gonna go out and eat dinner.
Cool.
To celebrate that I just spent $40,000 on a motorcycle. Yeah, that seems like a good idea. Let's go spend $100 and some on dinner now.
Sounds about right.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it too.
All right, you guys. See you guys.
Win, Lambo, yellow, Lambo, 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 win, Lambo, yellow, Lambo. Shooting to the moon,
and go.
I wanna pom pom pom. You wanna pom pom pom. She wanna pom pom pom. We wanna pom pom. I wanna pom pom pom. You wanna pom pom pom. She wanna pom pom pom. We wanna pom pom. Let's go get pom pom pom. You wanna pom pom pom. She wanna pom pom pom. We wanna pom pom pom. You wanna pom pom pom. She wanna pom pom. Lambo, yellow, Lambo, win, Lambo.